Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am inspecting a quick fix that I did with the tailgate of this 1997 Jeep Wrangler because the lock was not working. I could turn it back and forth, but it wouldn't actually lock the tailgate. So I opened it up and looked inside to see what I could figure out was going on. So let me show you what I found. There are 9 T30 Torx fasteners holding this cover plate in place so that nobody can break in and steal your Jeep or your stuff through the tailgate. So I'll remove these first so we can get a look inside. Okay, with the cover plate off, let me start way out here and then zoom in. So going down to the bottom, this is the actual lock cylinder, and you can see that this is the part that rotates, and then there's this little metal arm that has a plastic clip that holds it in place, and this metal arm goes up and down when you twist the lock cylinder and you lock and unlock the tailgate. This metal arm goes up here, and there should be another plastic piece that holds the top of this metal arm into this metal piece. And love the accurate names I'm using, but you get my point. And then when you pull up and down on this metal arm, this piece also then goes up and down because it's hinged. And that when it gets unlocked and this part gets unlocked, then you can use the tailgate handle to open the door, because this metal arm that's also connected via plastic pieces will be able to rotate and open the door mechanism, which is over here. This right here is the source of my problem. When I found it originally, this little metal arm was hanging loose, and that's because there is no plastic piece holding it in place. And so I just went with the force-built method, I call it, with Steve's use of zip ties to hold things in place. He actually has some good videos where he goes and replaces these plastic parts that are missing. But I went the zip tie method in this case and used a couple of, you can see one in the back to create something for this zip tie to hold onto, and then this other zip tie is just pulling it up against the metal arm. So really cheap fix. It cost me nothing because I had the zip ties already in the garage. But I do inspect this every 1,000 miles because I want to make sure the zip tie doesn't break. Because if this gets locked and you can't get the tailgate open, I don't know how you would get this cover off to go get in there and fix it with the tailgate completely closed, unless you somehow took the tailgate off. But it's pretty theft-proof by design, so I definitely want to inspect this fix and make sure that it stays in good shape, which it currently is. So that's my hack for fixing the tailgate lock unlock, and hope this video is useful to somebody. And yeah, just subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along with more tips and tricks and things I uncover for this 1997 205,000 mile Jeep Wrangler TJ. Cicadas are walking me off the stage, so until the next video, have a good one.